Hello guys, welcome back to Shri Guru Nanak Academies. Today I'll be solving a couple of questions. This is from variant 3, 2025 October November. It says magnesium carbonate when reacts with 2 times of HCl give rise to MgCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. So what I need to do over here is, it says calculate the number of moles of HCl in 50 centimeter cube of 0.1 mole per decimeter cube HCl. So we know the formula that concentration is moles upon volume. So if you want to calculate moles, you will simply multiply concentration and volume. So over here, concentration is 0.100 mole per decimeter cube, and volume here is 50 centimeter cube. So if it is 50 centimeter cube, I need to convert it into decimeter cube, and I know 1 decimeter cube is 1000 centimeter cube. So I'll divide this by 1000 and this will become decimeter cube. So this thing will cancel out, and now if I simply calculate the value, it is 50 multiplied by 0.100 and then divided by 1000. So your answer will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles. So this is your first answer. Now in the second part, it says deduce the number of moles of CO2 produced. Now first of all, check the reaction. Okay, 1 mole of magnesium carbonate, 2 times of HCl and 1 mole. So every 2 mole will give 50% of CO2. It means that if HCl is 5 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles in this reaction, then CO2 would be half of it. So if it becomes half of it, the answer will be 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles. Simply divided by 2 because this is half of HCl. Last part, calculate the volume in centimeter cube of CO2 produced at RTP. So RTP means 1 mole will be equal to 24 decimeter cube of gas. Now over here, 1 mole will give you this much. It's mentioned over here in the question, 24,000 centimeter cube at RTP. In this particular reaction, we have 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 moles of CO2. So if I need to find out the volume, I will simply multiply 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 24,000, and my answer will be 60 centimeter cube. So this is what is the answer. In this question, the student found that 1 mole of hydrated iron second sulfate crystal, so that is FeSO4 dot X times of H2O, provided mass is 278 grams. Now in this question, first part is, it says calculate the mass of 1 mole of FeSO4. So it is quite simple. For iron, mass will be 56. For sulfur, it will be 32. Oxygen is 16, and over here I can see 4 atoms, so I'll multiply by 4. So 56 plus 32 plus 64. So if I simply calculate this, how much would I get? I'll get 56 plus 32 plus 64. So your answer will be 152 grams for FeSO4. Second part, so this was your first part. Second part, calculate the mass of H2O present in 1 mole of FeSO4 dot X times of H2O. So mass provided mass is 278. So what I'll do is, I will subtract 152 from this. So remaining what I get is 126 grams. So it means that it will be for water. So this is MR for H2O, that is 126 grams. And the last part is quite simple. It is asking determine the value of X. Now if I check the molecular mass of water, it will be 2 into 1 plus 16, so that is 18. So if I need to calculate the value of X, total mass provided over here is 126 for water, divide by 18, so your answer will be 7. So 7 is the value of X here. Hope this question is clear to you.